Hi, I'm Kishan Khoday with the United Nations Development Program, or UNDP, where I serve as the Regional Team Leader for Nature, Climate and Energy in the Middle East and North Africa region. Today marks Earth Day, with the theme Restoring the Earth. This year sees the launch of the UN Decade for Ecosystem Restoration, as well as a new global biodiversity framework. Together, these instruments seek to reverse the loss of biodiversity and stabilize and restore ecosystems. This is a critical agenda for the Arab region, the most water insecure and food import dependent region, and with temperatures rising faster than the world average. Key ecosystems in the region like oases, wetlands, marshlands, deltas, and mountain ecosystems are vital for food and water security and community livelihoods. But with mounting pressures and the impacts of war and conflict across the region, these ecosystems are in rapid decline. So what are we doing about it? At the UN Development Program, UNDP, we have today about 80 projects across the Arab region, with $500 million of grants on climate change, energy, biodiversity, land degradation, and water. Through these initiatives, the UN is expanding our partnerships with local communities in the region to manage risks and build resilience to growing ecological risks. In Jordan, for example, we have strategic initiatives to build climate resilience of agriculture and water systems in rural areas, to integrate low carbon solutions into urban development, to protect threatened species, and to develop new national strategies and policies on climate change on the road to this year's critical Climate COP26 and Biodiversity COP15 summits. So I'd like to again wish you a happy Earth Day. Together, let's advance a more sustainable future in the region. Thank you.